Welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can send fax message from your MOTOROLA Razr 40 Ultra. So in the first tab, open the Play Store, then look for the fax app. Choose one of them. I'm always using the EasyFax, so we can launch it now. Now decide that you want to get notifications and add the permissions to camera and to the files. Now click on the plus and select the source of your document, like something from the gallery. Like this one. Of course you can pick more than one picture. If you're ready, click import. And now you can add this a shape to your document. If you're ready, click accept, the arrow. And now you can choose the filter for the photo to make it more visible for the receiver. You can also add a signature text and graffiti by these icons. If you're ready, click accept. Type the number in this place, select country from the list. And if you want to add more documents, maybe from the other source, click on the plus and do it like before. If you want to send the documents from this list, get your free credits or just buy it and click on this button. And that's it. Thanks for the watching, leave us a subscribe, a comment, and goodbye.